Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So in today's video, I am gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. Yeah. So I went to the dollar store with my kids and I got a ton of stuff. So I thought I would make a video quickly to show you guys what I got. Okay. So anyway, let's start. I don't have anything in order. I just have them here and I'm just gonna show you what I got. Whatever I pull up, that's what I'm gonna show. Okay, so I got these gold picture frames. Okay, so lightweight. As you already know, it's not the best quality, but it's very cute. It's very beautiful. So let's see, for my girl's birthday, we did a photo shoot. So I need frames to put some of the picture. This is one family shot that we took. So yeah, so that's one of the frames that I got today. They are very fragile, even from opening. So this opened, cracked open, but I'm just gonna use some hot glue or Gorilla Glue to like fix it. So yeah, so I got two, so one for each of my kids' room. And then what else did I get? I got one mini one. Okay, this one is silver, the other ones are gold, so I got this silver one. They are very nice, so just to have the pictures. And then what else did I get? Just small little things. So I do have these oils that I found. I got them. They're like scented oils. They're very nice. This one is vanilla, so double vanilla. And I'm gonna use them in my diffuser. So yeah, my air diffuser. And then this one is soothing sandalwood. Yeah, so this is soothing sandalwood. Yeah, so I like those. I usually get them at Walmart, my essential oils, but I just saw these at the dollar store. I don't know if I just was not used to looking out for them, but so yeah, I found them and I thought I would give them a try. So I'll see how they go. Yeah. So then I got this one, Aroma Guru. So it says it's what is it? Aromatherapy lavender. I plan on using these on my DIY oils just to give them a nice aroma and stuff, and also I'll use it in my diffuser as well. So I'm glad that I found these because at Walmart they're a bit pricey. So if this works, if these scents are very nice and pleasant, I'm gonna continue to buy more at the dollar store. Okay, so what else did I get? Let's continue with the oil since I'm in it. I found this one, vitamin E oil. That's my first time buying it from the dollar store, so I don't know how the quality is gonna be like. I do have one that I've purchased from Walmart. I like it. It's very nice. It's moisturized the skin, and also it has helped my scalp tremendously with my alopecia. So yeah, so I'm gonna try this from the dollar store and I'm gonna compare them. I might even make a video if that's something that if I see a big difference in between the two. Okay, so yeah, vitamin E oil, that's a huge quantity for $1 compared to what I buy at Walmart for like $8. I think the same amount for like $8, and this is one. So we'll see how the quality compares. Okay, and what else did I get? Like I usually buy these stuff for my daughter, but never from the dollar store. It's hair or scalp moisturizer, or it's a grease for the scalp. So this time I'm trying this one, so I'll go ahead and try it on her hair until it's completely over and see how her scalp and hair responds to it. So I have that one. Okay, so that's my first time buying it from the dollar store. I like the size. It's cute, it's nice, it's small. I want to buy her smaller sizes from now on, because I want to try many different ones, and I don't want to buy all of them at once. So what I do, I'll go through one whole jar and then I'll go out and buy a new one. So that way I'm not bombarded with products and stuff. So this is a really good decent size to try for about a few weeks. Okay, so what else did I buy, like product related? Okay, so my kids, they wasted my dental floss, so that's my first time getting dental floss from the dollar store. So I got these um dental floss from the dollar store, so I can continue using this, and I'll see how well they do compared to like other store brands. Okay, yeah, so what else did I get? As I said, I did go with my kids, so they had to grab some stuff. My son got these glasses. They're nice. I usually get him glasses from the dollar store, like sunglasses. And then my daughter got this pink little one. So yeah, and then they love these hard candies. So it's been hard to find them at our particular dollar stores. And the other day we went, we bought one pack. We paid for it, but it didn't make it home. Okay, so it didn't come home with us. So my son has been insisting, let's go get my hard candy. Let's go tell them we didn't get it. So now we went back to the dollar store and we bought two because it's been so hard. I don't know if it's because of the corona and everything that it's hard to find products and stuff. So we got two. We'll save one, and then we'll use one. Yeah. So yeah, what else? I got these cotton rounds for makeup removal. So yeah, this whole thing for $1. That's a good buy. Okay. And also I got cotton swabs. I love using these. So it's good for removing nail polish, cleaning your nails after polishing them, removing excess makeups and stuff like that. Yeah, so I got Q-tips, this whole thing. So it was hard to find at the dollar store. I did buy some at Walmart. They are better quality than these, but hey, this whole box for $1, it's all worth it. Yay. So okay, so then I did venture out a bit. So I got this scalp massage at the dollar store. I've tried it on my daughter's hair. Okay, I don't know. I think I'll just keep it for her hair because it was getting tangled and wrapped up. So I don't know how great this is gonna be for my hair. But since I can control more what I see if I'm using it on her hair, so maybe I'll use it for her. So yeah. If you want, you don't have to buy this at the dollar store. Save your $1 and get something better quality, because these edges, they have these little prickly plastic sticking out, so you can use a nail filer to file them and get rid of those edges. But other than that, it works fine on her hair. But I'm not gonna use it on my hair because I won't be able to see where it's getting tangled, where the hair is wrapped around these little knobs and stuff. Okay, so what else did I get? Ooh, this video is getting long. So I got these little mini travel containers, so that when I make small DIY oils or whatnot, I can just have them in here, have them in my purse, and wherever I'm going, I'll have access to them. Okay, now I did get these jars also. It has 10 of them. Okay, there are 10 in here of these small little containers. I think it's great because to store DIY products away and stuff like that, smaller portions, you can freeze them, you can put them in the fridge, so that's going to be excellent. I saw it and I thought I had to get it. Okay guys, so what else? So I got this jar because I make oils. I can't fetch it right now. Okay, so I make my DIY oil, my go-to DIY oil. It's in this big glass mason jar. But it would be much nicer if it were to be in something in a size like this that's more proportional to the amount of oil that I have, okay? So I might transfer it to here. Okay, so then I got this flower vase. I will use it as a flower vase, but also I use it to do like my rice water, vinegaric water for my hair and stuff like that. And also when I want to diffuse some oil or whatnot, some herbs for my hair, I'm gonna be able to do it in here and take better quality pictures and videos that you can see through this glass. I thought it was very cute, so I picked that up. Awesome. So now getting to my last thing, this plastic pitcher. Okay, so I got this pitcher. It's just $1. Look, very convenient, very nice. Comes with a top, so that's amazing. You can do your rice water or vinegaric water as well, or any thing that you want to ferment for your hair. It can be done in here. I do have a small hand blender, so I'm gonna be using it. That's the intention of getting this. So when I want to blend something, I can just use this plastic container. It's see-through, so that I can video really well and do my thing. So yeah, that's all this stuff that I got, guys. What do you think? What do you typically get at the dollar store? Do you get makeup? I don't really like getting makeup from the dollar store, but I see other people getting them. I'm just a bit nervous. Like, are they good quality and stuff like that? So, what do you typically get at the dollar store? Leave it in the comment section and just to share. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Okay, much love. Mwah.